Kevin Lombard here with Lombard Equipment. Today with me I have my assistant Duke, and we're going to show you the Car-o-liner CTR 12,000. Before we do that, I just want to take a few seconds to tell you guys, if you guys don't have a spot welder, what you're asking your technicians to do, this was told to me years ago, spot welding compared to MIG welding is like cutting a tree down with an axe. So you can imagine the time it takes to chop a tree down versus getting a spot welder and taking it and that's the difference. And if money's been an issue, now's the time. It's no more going to be a struggle for you. This is a Car-o-liner CTR 12,000 three-phase welder, 12,000 amps of welding power, auto weld technology, liquid cooled electrodes. It has the single side welding, which is an option, tool balancer. It also too, with the single side, you get dent pulling. Even with this welder, the manual is brand new, still in the wrapper. You get all the electrodes with it. It has 4 arms. This welder sells for in the mid-30s, guys, $59.95. This will be one of the best investments you've ever made. Call the 800 number. Thanks for watching this.